welcome to our channel TeenUpgrader. Today I'm going to tell you how to install Eclipse in macOS. I'm not going to tell you how to install Java. So you make sure your system has already downloaded Java. So check in your system, open your Mac terminal and type here Java double hyphen version. So after that, I have already downloaded Java. So here is Java 11.0.4 version. So that's it. Let's start. So first of all, click on the browser. I'm using Safari. So click here and search Eclipse. So click on the first link. Click on the download button here. After that, click on the download button here. So click on the download button here. So I wait for 2 seconds. I think our installation has started. Okay, 16 to 15 seconds are left. Click on this button, Eclipse installation. So and exit the browser. So first of all, drop this into the application. It is dropped. Click here. Open. Eclipse ID for Java developer. Click on the install button. This takes some time and seconds. Click on the launch button to launch Eclipse ID. Just select the workspace, the launch. So this is welcome window. I have to minimize this. Click on this minimize button here. So this is something donation type. So cancel this, and you will have to click here file, new Java project. Click on the new Java project. I'm just simply name as test as default as just finish. Model name don't create. I don't want to create module, so I'm using don't create. So here is our package explorer test. Here is our project. So right click on this source. So here is new class and make here is class. So class name is hello world. So I want to add main function also, so click on this public static void main. So open. Our Java file is ready. So I want to print hello world. So click here and type system.out.print with parentheses double quotes hello world. That's it. Just run. Okay, here is hello world program. So that's it for the in this video. We meet in next video. Thank you for support and keep watching TeenUpgrader.